I'm Steven Spielberg.
Let's go. তো কিভাবে সিনেমা বানায় দেখবো, হলিউডে কিভাবে সিনেমা বানায়।
Throughout the entire show. Second row, please move in. Okay, to the back. There's a lot of room over there. Thank you. Muslim. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. On behalf of Universal Studio, Singapore, welcome to Live Film in Action, hosted by Steven Spielberg. Come on, guys. Yes. Thank you. In a few minutes, we will be entering our main sound stages. It's over there, to your right, later on, where the magic will happen. Where our Universal Studio special effect wizard have created a dramatic scene, simulating the effects of Category 5. You can handle it? Come on, can you handle it?
Yes.
Good. We will see. So, without further ado, here we go. And by saying that, I present here our film's director, Mr. Steven Spielberg. Applause for him, everyone. Come on. Thank you. He's coming out now on the screen.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and this well, I know it doesn't look like much now, but trust me, this soundstage and the one you're about to enter are just about the most incredible places on the planet, or undersea, or outer space. Well, you're about to get the picture. You see, for over 100 years, filmmakers have been using sound stages like this to create the stuff that dreams are made of. Special effects, astonishing moments of movie magic that don't just tell a story, they thrill, they dazzle, sometimes even startle, but done well, they never fail to take your breath away. special effects show that there are no limits to the imagination of filmmakers and audiences. And that brings us to the scene you're about to see. It's set in an old boathouse in New York City, right in the middle of a Category 5 hurricane. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, those facing red lights, meeting his main sound stage is ready. Please get your personal belongings and proceed to your right. That way. Thank you.
Yo, to
For the best viewing experience, please move to the center of the black Mercury platform. A gentle reminder that eating, drinking, smoking, and the use of flash are strictly not allowed. Parents with young children, please do not place your child over your shoulders or on the hand railing. For your safety, please do not put your legs in between the gaps of the railing, and please remain standing throughout the entire show. And it looks like all the others have given us a school.
উল্টা দিকে করেছি
Alright, folks, time for some movie magic. Mr. Steven Spielberg, over to you.
Alright, stand by everybody. Here we go. Lock it up on the bell. Roll playback. Cue the sun. Cue the waves. Cue the thunder. Cue the rain. And action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately.
I'm live here in the Charlie newsroom. Let's go to one of our reporters in Midtown. They say this could be one of the storms of the century. What can you tell us? Wherever that sign lands, we only hope there are no people nearby.
far recorded and also please ride your comfortably and exit beyond. Thank you for experiencing us. I just want to guide you to see stable. I will have a Universal Studios and Universal Studios. Singapore. Goodbye.